Today she's wearing her mother's wedding dress.
हम सब एक भी बिल्डिंग में रहते थे तो हमें वहां से पता चला था कि सिद्धार्थ लाइक्स पलक.
We've been together for so many years, and finally, I don't know, all the manifestations which we thought about when this will happen is finally happening. So quite excited. Thank you for everybody to be joining us here.
Thank you. Don't cry. Don't make me cry. My makeup is expired. This is truly surreal. I did not even imagine something this beautiful. I was planning for a boat marriage, so this is truly magical, and I feel extremely blessed to be here. Thank you, and I love you. I win.
मैनिफेस्टेशन की स्पेलिंग बता.
Very bad. बता I am.
I think what over a period of 7 years or 8 years is like
6.5
6 and a half is journey that is now converting into this marriage.
That he seems like a calm, gentle person. जिसको कभी गुस्सा नहीं आता, but ये भी इसने भी मारा है लोगों को स्कूल में, नहीं ट्यूशन में. ये स्टोरी मेरे पास भी है. I don't remember who, but he knows who I'm talking about.
Almost waiting every single moment that okay, now it will sink in, but we're still feeling that
It
when
feels
will
like
it
a
sink in?
dream at this point.
We thought we'll cry, but no, none of us cried. I don't know if we'll cry eventually, but abhi tak aisa kuch hua nahi hai. But yes, I think we are glad we have manifested this for a lot of years. So I think we are glad that this is happening. I think we met in 2015 or 2016 once I moved into a new apartment, and I think she was one of those girls who used to play football, which was quite rare, and that is where I think we met in one of those football games. Eventually I think we became friends, and then over the few years, I think 2018 is when we started dating, and from then to now almost 8 years now.
पकौड़े नहीं बनाते शिवा.
ये तो बहुत प्यार से लगा रहे हो, मुझे लगा था लगाओ.
हाँ, अभी तो एक राउंड तो प्यार से लगाएंगे ना.
they were friends for a long time. Uske baad I remember one day she called me randomly and she was like, I have to tell you something, I'm in a relationship. And I was completely shocked, with whom? You never told me anything that you like someone and all. And then she was like, no, when it's the right person, it just naturally happens and you just know it, that this is right and I have to be with that person.
Siddharth used to tell us about Palak, and then the first call we had Palak के साथ, she was so sweet कि मतलब हमारी ऐसे unknowingly friendship हो गई, even when we had not met. Like we were in common WhatsApp groups, we used to send each other gifts on and wish each other on birthdays. So one of the friends that we've gotten, like very good person as a friend we have gotten, is Palak, and that credit goes to Siddhi, I think.
Maybe
No,
not
so
the first
I
time, but-
have, so within a week of us actually starting to date, I don't know if you remember this or not, I remember him saying, you know, I want to marry you. And at that point, because I am not, you know, I take time and that didn't sink in for me. I was, you know, taken aback. But the man kept his word.
See, they're a wonderful couple and they'll go a long way eternally, and I'm so happy for them.
Our blessings and wishes will always be with them, and we'll be standing as a pillar of support at the back for them.
It has been a very growing experience for the both of us to, you know, finally coming here and
Bhai, the best moment was Varmala. That was the best. The
cameraman का भी shot shoot किया है.
I know, right? हमारी भी कोई photo नहीं. It was such a beautiful impromptu. It was
Promise would be, I think, definitely one to show her the world, to travel around together, because we both like to travel a lot.
I promise to always take care of him and to cherish him and to value him and to love him like he has loved me all these years.
உயிரே